So we're at the airport right now with Stevie. It's his first time solo flying anyone around, so it should be pretty interesting. Why does this feel so thin, gang? Bro, look at how thin this is. What in the world? It feels like plastic.
Carbon, bro.
This is not carbon, bro. This ain't shit. Oh my gosh, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty small.
It's pretty tight. It's a lot tighter than you'd think. Stevie's about to fire it up right now, I guess.
Oh, let's get this baby up. Ready? Strobe switches on.
What was that, Stevie? It did not start.
Should I go a little bit? It's a little hot, that's all. That one's out.
You gotta let it like boot up or something?
Should start. Battery, strobe. There we go. Clear. There goes switch. It's getting.
What was
I
that?
don't know about that one. I don't know why it's so stuck.
What's that little on-off switch right there?
Which one?
Right there.
This one?
Right there.
That's for landing lights. We don't care about that because you're flying.
I was wondering if that was like some fucking other kill switch you gotta start. Some technical difficulties with getting us in the air. Do you know why or no?
I don't know why. I should.
That's the best. So Stevie forgot to put the choke. I told you, but there's like a little choke button right here. You can see the little red one. I asked him, is there a choke?
Right.
Now he said it should start.
Alright, we're up.
I don't know if you can see it now, but I'm sweating. It's like a little sauna in here. Oh yeah, Stevie. Corona, right here?
Yeah, so this is Corona area right here.
So this is Yorba Linda to our right in here.
Yeah, this is Yorba Linda. Right here. Lake Matthews traffic. This is 3059 Kilo, about 2 miles northwest of the lake. Yeah, it is so far.
Turn northbound.
Repeat, 59 Kilo.
5 November Kilo, turn northbound. You're supposed to follow the 15, so just turn direct northbound.
Ontario.
November Kilo, continue your view for descent. X-ray the descent.
There you go, Stevie. There it goes, rolling away. Stevie, how would you rate this flight?
Pretty solid, honestly. Nothing went wrong except startup, but I fixed that. Missed a button. Then what else did we do? We went to Lake Matthews, saw the lake, saw the view. All the fucking nice. See all those helicopters.